Alright, in this video I'm going to quickly go over the bolts that hold on the cutting blades on a Gravely mower. So what had happened was I changed out the blades of the mower and I noticed there was some galling on them and they were dirty. And I thought, oh, I'll go clean them. Then I thought, nah, I don't know, I really don't like that, so I bought some new ones. And what you want to do is you want to get 5/8 by 18 threads per inch by 1 1/4, well, excuse me, 1 3/4 length, almost 2 inches, but not 2 inches, 1 3/4. And you want them to be grade 8. Now I bought 10 for $23. That's rounded up with tax and shipping and everything else you can think of to get them here. And there were 10, so I consider that a lifetime supply. These, were, I can't even tell you how old they are. 6 years old or so. So, by the time I go through the second set and the third set, I'll probably need a new mower. Now, the two sockets I use to change them, I typically use the 24 millimeter. However, officially, they are 5/16. But I do want to point out that they are pretty much the same. I mean, they are so close, it's not even funny. Yes, the 24 is slightly looser, but the 24 is so convenient. I have the 15/16 buried, so I'll get it out if it's convenient for me and throw it on the impact wrench and spin these guys off of there. Then I'll hand start them pretty much all the way and then tighten them back up with the impact wrench. And also, don't forget, the washers are almost like Belleville washers. Consider them U-shaped. The U-shaped comes down and up so that you're actually crushing the U-shape up into the bottom of the blade. So, just a little FYI there. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I didn't need to show you the Gravely and taking them off and doing all this other junk and everything. The main thing is just the bolts. 5/8 by 18 threads per inch by 1 3/4 length, grade 8. Thank you for watching.